Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Aura frame is showing photos with borders, side spaces, or images that do not fully cover the display, you may be wondering how to switch everything into full screen mode. Sometimes pictures look smaller than expected, while other times the frame seems to crop or display photos differently depending on image size. Since digital frames often include display settings that affect how pictures fit the screen, the solution may only take a few quick adjustments. The good part is that making an aura frame appear more full screen is usually simple once you know where to look. Let's walk through several easy steps to help make an aura frame full screen. Try these. Step 1. Open settings connected to the aura frame and check display options related to photo, fit or screen view. Step 2. Use the app linked with the aura frame to review picture display settings if borders still appear. Step 3. Change the viewing option on the aura frame if photo scaling or fit settings seem limited. Step 4. Confirm the Aura frame stays connected properly if recent display changes are not updating. Step 5. Restart the Aura frame briefly after changing settings to refresh photo display behavior. Step 6. Watch the Aura frame again and confirm photos begin appearing closer to full screen normally.